For today's lesson, we have is Introduction to Multiplication. So multiplication using repeated addition. Let's read over the direction. When there is an equal number in each group, you can find a total by using repeated addition or multiplication. So for example, we have here is 4 group, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each group, there are 3 stars. So we can do repeated addition. This group, there's 3 stars, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, for a total of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you can also do this in groups of 2 as well. Let's say you have 2 stars in one group, and we have another 2, and another 2, and another 2. If we have 4 groups of 2s, how many stars do we have? That would be 8 stars. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will come out to be 8 stars. So if we have 4 groups and each group has 2 stars, we will have a total of 8 stars. Now what if we have 20 groups? So it'll be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2, 2. How many is that already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oops. Okay, so that would be an equal sign. So that's 20 groups of 2 stars. How many total is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So if we have 20 groups and each group has 2 stars, then we would have 40 total stars. Well, that took quite a while. What if we have 100 group of 2 stars? How many are we going to have? Wow, that's going to take us a very long time if we have to write out 100 of these little 2. Is there a way to do this faster? Yes, the answer is to use multiplication. So for example, if I take 100 times 2, I would get 200. Wow, how am I able to do that so fast? It's because using multiplication. So multiplication allows you to calculate addition very fast without having to write out every single one addition over and over so many times. All right, let's try a few of it. So going back to the problems we have earlier with the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we noticed that we have 4 groups and each group has 3. So we can also put it as 4 times 3, which equals to 12. Now let's take a look at our example. Number 1. Find each total. Write an addition and a multiplication sentence. So we have here is 3 groups and each group have 6 stars. So it's 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here you go. How many stars is that total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So when we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18, that means these 3 groups of 6 will come out to be 18 stars. And also, you can also write faster is 3 times 6, which equal to 18. All right, now it's your turn to try. Go ahead and do number 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll check your answers. right, how did you do? Let's go over number 2, 3, and 4 together. Number 2. So here we have is how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. And each one is 2s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. Okay, so 7 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 stars total. We have 7 groups, and each group has 2 stars. That comes out to be 14 stars total. Or we can write it as 7 times 2, which is 14. So how'd you do? Did you get that answer? Okay, let's try number 3. We have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. That equals to 15 stars. So there are 3 groups, and each group has 5 stars. It comes out to be 15. And so also put it in multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. Did you get that answer? Okay, let's do number 4. In number 4, there are 3 groups of stars, and each one has 4, which is a total of 12. We can put it as 3 times 4, which equals to 12. Did you get that answer? Okay, let's move on to the second page. Okay, write an addition and a multiplication sentence for each model. Number 1. So let's start with the addition. We have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because we have 3 groups, so 6 plus 6 plus 6, that's equal to 18. And for multiplication, there's 3 groups, and each group have 6. So that's also equal to 18 as well. Alright, number 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So that's 20. Or it is 4 groups of 5, which give us 20 total stars. Okay, so for number 3 to 11, if you can get the answer in your head, cool, go ahead, write it down. If you can't, then we have to use repeated addition. So let's do number 3 together, for example. 4 times 6. So 4 times 6, we're going to do 4 groups of 6 stars or 6 groups of 4 stars. Either way is fine. Okay, so here we have is 6 stars, and we're going to need 4 of the groups. Now, if drawing the picture takes too long, you can just write out the numbers. So we have 6 4 times. So 6 plus 6 is 12. And then 12 plus 12 is 24. Alright, so work on all of these, including the 2 word question on the bottom. Again, always try on your own first, and then we'll go over the answers for the word problems on the bottom. Okay, let's check some of your answer. For number 4, did you get 18? And for number 5, did you get 21? Okay, let's go over number 12 and 13. Number 12, if Jason can collect 5 cans in 1 week, how many cans can he collect in 7 weeks? So 1 week he can get 5 cans. Next week he can get 5 more and 5 more and 5 more and 5 more. So it's 5 times 7. Okay, so that's the setup. Let's move on to 13. Omar collected 8 cans of food on Monday, and then 8 cans on Tuesday, and then 8 cans on Thursday. How many cans did he collect in all? So it's 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 3 times. Okay, go ahead and put that setup and then solve for the answer.